Hey, so I just set up this box spring from Home Design, and man, am I impressed with the quality. This is actually made of metal and it's got a very sturdy design. It really did not take me very long to set this up at all. Probably less than 10 minutes to be honest with you. It still has a cover that needs to go on, which I'm going to show you. And I'm also going to put a mattress on here so you can see what it looks like. But here's the cover. We're going to throw that on in a minute just to take a look at it. But I wanted to give you an up close look. This thing actually folds too. This middle bracket actually comes out, and all of these slide in and out very easily, but stay on really secure. So if you have to transport this, it just folds in half and you can take it apart very quickly. So with the metal slats going all the way down, it really helps distribute the weight evenly. Makes this such a sturdy design. I'm absolutely loving this. Feels like such amazing quality. So this box spring actually comes in a 5-inch and an 8-inch size to accommodate whatever bed frame you have. This is actually the 8-inch. All right, we just put the cover on this, and man, I have to say this quality of the cover was really nice. Usually you get a box spring and it's just like fabric that's like gonna tear really easily or just super cheap. You can see how nice this material is. It's not just a really cheap fabric. This is nice, and it's like a stretchy, really good material. Goes all the way through. You wrap it around and then you just pull it with a drawstring underneath and it tightens it. It's really nice how they did that. You could tell the manufacturer puts a lot of time and effort into their product. So the really nice thing about this box spring is that you can set it on the ground just as basically a bed frame. You don't need a bed frame, but you could put this on a bed frame. All right, so now I'm gonna throw a mattress on and see what it looks like. So I have my mattress on the box spring and it looks amazing and it fits perfectly. I definitely highly recommend this if you're looking for a box spring, because you have the option to put this on your bed frame or just put it on the ground as itself, and it's gonna be super sturdy, high quality, really easy to build. And if you need to move it or transport it, you can so fast and easy. It's really simple to use. I love this product. Go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.